Okay, good night. Bye. Introducing cloc-cloc. The LED readouts are hidden behind a thin wooden veneer, and so are only visible when turned on. As you can see, there are also magnetic connections to allow the blocks to share electricity and information, as well as act as buttons. Here's a cool feature. Because each block has an orientation sensor, in normal time mode, it will automatically correct itself. Since each block can sense the other's presence, they will brighten and dim based on their proximity to one another. Like people, they are happiest when close to their friends. With cloc-cloc, you can build, arrange, play, and do what feels natural. Cloc-cloc. Have fun with your time.